Established by an NLC Decree 293 of October 10, 1968, and re-established in its present form by CSIR Act 521 on November 26, 1996, the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, is mandated to, among other things, pursue the implementation of government policies on scientific research and development. It is also duty-bound to advise the sector minister on scientific and technological advances deemed to be important to national development. Also, it is expected to encourage coordinated employment of scientific research for the management, utilization, and conservation of Ghana's natural resources in the interest of development.
Right from Soil Research Institute, that studies the soils of Ghana, and then we have a Forestry Research Institute, we have a Water Research Institute, and Crop Research. So we do everything from, if you like, from the ground up, from soil, through water, through forest, through crops.
One of the CSIR's institutes, the Food Research Institute, plays a key role in the transformation of the food processing industry and also to compete internationally. Hence, trials have been conducted in genetically modified organisms.
And with the help of CSIR, of course, with other stakeholders, we have conducted trials. In fact, we have conducted trials with GMO potato. We call it containerized field trials. And the idea is that we are doing the trials inside a system where they will not have the chance to go out. It's a precautionary measure. The current information that we have, current science, and from experience from other countries, that so far we haven't had any major problem, as far as I know, with the use of GMOs for certain category of crops.
Besides the 13 research institutes, the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research also works hand in hand with other institutions.
We work a lot with the MUFA, for example, Ministry of Agric, because many times you hear agric bro, agric this. I can say that most of them are through collaboration with CSIR. The Forestry Commission is there. It's the implementer of forest policies, regulator. But then the research from CSIR, Forestry Research Institute, significantly affect the kind of decisions.
But this is not without limitations.
The very common challenge that we have, and I believe in most organizations in Ghana, is financial limitation. Research is very, very expensive. In the first place, you need to have the right caliber of scientists. So you first have to train very good scientists to do their work. And then after you have trained them, you have to equip them. You have to build laboratories, and if you have the laboratories already, you have to stock them with instruments and equipment that they will use to work.
To Professor Paul Bosu, Ghanaians must embrace locally developed technology. He says it is important to move from dependence on imported foods. The CSIR leads in scientific and technology research, development and implementation organizations in Africa. Shelley Annan, GBC News, Accra.